Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and I have Lovelyz third mini album, I think, Fallen Lovelyz. So they've obviously like kept the same photographer-ish. I don't know, to be honest. From like Naobi. I love the outfits, I just don't like the photography. I'm so sorry about that. But this looks hella classy. Here is the side. Then the back is textured. Like zoom out of it. There. I love this. So elegant. Tracklist. And inside you have nice shots of the girl. So I love this concept. The CD is just the same thing with like the back of the album. First of all, remove. Oh my god, nah! I showed you the hard anyway, so might as well. So I have GA as the transparent fake card. I would have like this was thicker. Because it's really flipsy. And for the sticker thing, I have GA as well. So I'm definitely like not my bias magnet, since I would have wanted K or me too, but that's okay. I'm hoping that I can trade, but I don't think I can, to be honest. No one is trading Lovelyz. I love this pink and gold thing. It looks so nice. Oh, I love this. This is focused, right? I love this like glittery concept. It doesn't look like Christmas yet. Maybe it will later on in the photo book. It looks so nice. I would have preferred Jinwich for here, to be honest. It's something that made her stand out in the group. I got some balls. Now we're kind of switching up the concept, I think. Yeah, so this is like the main outfit in the music video. I love the look of it. Let's switch up it. I'm just gonna stop there. Miju with bangs, like she's had them before, but I prefer her without bangs. Like at this point, I don't even know what K looks like without bangs. Yen is growing up so fast. Oh my, what is that? I think that was the photo book. Oh, I love this. Love this. Part of me kind of wanted them to have like multiple versions. Especially with this like concept and with the red ones. Since this looks so elegant. Would have wanted like a black and grey colored album. I love these. So far their photo books have been really great though. Now we end this. They look classy, the outfits look good, the girls look good. We have the thanks to. And then the photo book definitely popped out, which is normal thing, K-pop albums. So it lines up. So yeah, that is that for this unboxing. So I didn't have a big reveal just because just these cards already like overshot. But yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. Now see you tomorrow. Bye guys.